Hello, Beth and Norwex lady here. Today we're going to do a deeper dive into the two products that are really great for keeping your Norwex cloths lasting longer and smelling better and feeling great and working the way they're supposed to. So we've had for, I don't know, 6 years. My kids are gonna say 6, 7, but I can hear it in the back of my mind. We've had for many years the original microfiber cleaner and laundry booster. This is the powder. And about a year or so ago, Norwex came out with the liquid version of it. And recently they brought back the powder. So let's talk about the differences and which one you should try. So let's start with the original. So what this formula is supposed to do is deep clean your microfiber cloth. So whenever it's not working properly, doesn't feel right, doesn't smell right, hubby uses your window cloth to change the oil, something is wrong with your cloth, I always recommend doing a deep clean with one of our microfiber cleaners. All right, so this was the original one. So it's a powder. So you just follow the directions depending on the size of how much water you have, and you throw it in with some really hot tap water and throw your cloths in there and let them soak. I let them soak overnight. That is just what I choose to do. Then I wring them out and I launder them. So that is what this one originally was. Now the microfiber deep cleaner that came out is enzyme based, which means it's going to be eating the dirt and the bacteria and everything out, just like our Powerzyme laundry detergent does. So here is my honest opinion. I truly believe that the liquid version works better. But people weren't quite understanding that because when they deep clean with the powder, their water after they deep clean is really, really dirty. So they just assumed, the powder one works better. But in my opinion, which I think this is true, the microfiber deep cleaner that's the liquid is enzyme based and it's actually eating the dirts and the bacteria, which is going to leave the water cleaner. So personally, I think if you were deep cleaning your microfiber, I would stick with the liquid. That is my personal choice. They are the same price and it is totally just personal opinion. Whatever you want to do is totally fine. No judgment, whatever you want. I do use the microfiber cleaners for many other products or many other household items that I have here that have issues. Like, for example, my daughter bought a comforter and it smelled really, really bad right out of the packaging, and we deep cleaned it in microfiber cleaner. So it isn't just for microfiber, it is for many of your regular laundry items anyway. You should not have to use any other boosters with this. This is all you would need. And this does not go in your wash machine. You would be deep soaking your cloths or clothes, whatever you want, in a separate container in hot water. So that is how it works. If you put this in the wash machine and it's just literally going right down the drain, you're not really going to do anything and it's kind of a waste. So I do recommend I use a big tote, or if you have a utility sink, or if you're doing all your microfiber at once, you can do it in the bathtub, whatever you want, but this is not meant to go into your wash machine. Okay, I mean, it's not gonna hurt it if it does, it's just a waste. So give these a shot. I believe every household that has Norwex microfiber should have one of these in there, because you are going to have a time where your cloths are just not feeling great. I deep clean my microfiber counter cloths quite a bit because this is our most used product the most used Norwex product that we use in my home. So I actually deep clean these quite a bit just to keep them soft, keep the stains out of it, and I absolutely love it. So give the microfiber deep cleaner a shot, and if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. We'll talk to you later. Bye.